Hey guys, welcome back to Homemade Food channel. Hope you guys are doing well so far. We are back with an aromatic and classic chicken dum biryani recipe. Biryani's favorite recipe amongst all Indian households. A quick and easy homemade biryani is something that you can't escape. So it's going to be a lengthy cooking process but totally worth it, trust me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. First step is to marinate the chicken. For that I have taken 1 kg chicken nicely washed. In a bowl I have taken chicken, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of biryani powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, 2.5 tablespoons of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons coriander powder, 4 green chilies sliced into 2 pieces, coriander leaves few, mint leaves few, add 2 tablespoons of salt, and mix it well until masala gets nicely coated to all the chicken pieces. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 200 grams of curd. Mix it well. So now it's nicely coated, and you need to marinate this for 2 hours. Close the lid and keep it in the refrigerator. So now I am taking 3 glasses of rice with this glass. This is about 750 grams of basmati rice. So you need to soak it for 1 hour. Now let's see the process to prepare fried onions. In a wide and deep bottom pot, add 150 ml of oil and 1/4 kg onions chopped into slices. Saute it well for about 10 minutes. So now it's half done. You need to saute it for more 5 minutes until onions are nicely brown in color, and keep it aside. So half of it let it be in the cooker and add marinated chicken into it. Mix it well. Initially I have added 100 ml of oil, and now I am adding 50 ml of leftover oil now. So add leftover 50 ml of oil and mix it well. Close the lid and cook it until chicken leaves water from it. So now you can see the chicken is leaving the water, and mix it well. So now you don't need to close the lid. You can just cook it just like that without closing the lid. In a bowl, add 2 liters of water. Close the lid and let it heat for 5 minutes. And open the lid, add few coriander leaves, few mint leaves, cinnamon 1 inch, cloves 4, cardamom 2, bay leaf 2, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a spoon of cumin seeds and half a spoon of fennel seeds. Give it a nice mix and close the lid. Wait until water boils. So water is boiling now. We need to add 2 tablespoons of salt and 2 tablespoons of oil and add the soaked rice. This is the rice we have soaked for 1 hour. Mix it well. Cook the rice until it's 80% boiled. Meanwhile, let's see whether gravy is done or not. So you can see the oil is leaving from the corners and it is almost done. Mix it well. So the gravy is also thick enough. Give it a nice mix. Now you can see it's almost done. Now let's see the process for preparing dum. So on the chicken you need to add basmati rice, cooked basmati rice. So we need to add 2 layers. So this is the first layer. Add how much ever required for the first layer. Keep it evenly and add in few mint leaves, few coriander leaves. Add in 1 tablespoon of biryani masala, few fried onions, and 1 tablespoon of ghee. So for the second layer also it's the same process. Add in the leftover cooked basmati rice. Spread it evenly and add fried onions, few mint leaves, coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of biryani masala. Here I am adding biryani color. If you don't want, you can skip it. Otherwise, you can add saffron. So I am adding 1 tablespoon of food color. It's truly optional for you guys. And 1 tablespoon of ghee. That's all. So you can give it for dum. Close the lid. And for that hole on the lid, you can close it with a tissue paper so that the vapor won't go out and it will be flavorful. Now you need to cook it on a medium flame for 10 minutes. After that, you can keep it on a low flame for about 20 minutes. Once it's done, switch off the flame and leave it just like that for about 10 minutes. And now you can see it is nicely done and transfer it to a serving plate. This chicken biryani can be served with any raita of your choice. I know it is a lengthy process, but I am sure you will love the taste. Do try in this way and enjoy it with your family. And don't forget to comment below and let us know how it has come. For the detailed description, check out the description below. Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.